In this video, we are going to explore the basics that you need to know about defects. What is a unit? It's an item produced or processed. Basically, it's the item we are studying for our Six Sigma improvement. Say for example, here we see an online request form with 4 fields. What is critical to quality? Critical to quality is a characteristic that defines if the overall process or product is perceived by the customer to be of an acceptable quality. It's an attribute, a characteristic, or a quality parameter of a product or process under study that has a direct and significant impact on its quality. Quality as perceived by the customer. In the previous slide, we saw an online request form as an example for the unit. The form had 4 fields. If the customer needs the applicant to fill all the 4 fields, then to ensure the quality of the unit, that is the submitted request form, it is critical that the applicant fills all the 4 fields. What is defect? Defect is any event that does not meet the specifications of a requirement. Defect is a shortcoming, an error, or a non-conformance. In the online request form, which we have seen in the previous slides, the customer needed the applicant to fill all the 4 fields to ensure the quality of the unit. That is the submitted request form. If, say for the discussion, the applicant has missed to fill the email field, then we can say that in this case the unit has one defect. What is defect opportunity? Defect opportunity is any event which can be measured that provides a chance of not meeting a customer requirement. It is any attribute, parameter, or characteristic of a unit that could affect its quality from the perspective of customer. That is, if a defect were to occur. In the online request form, which we have seen in the previous slides, the customer needed the applicant to fill all the 4 fields to ensure the quality of the unit. That is the submitted request form. Hence, each field presents an opportunity for a defect to occur. So we can say that the unit has 4 defect opportunities. What is defective? Defective is a unit with one or more defects. In the online request form, which we have seen in the previous slides, the customer needed the applicant to fill all the 4 fields to ensure the quality of the unit. That is the submitted request form. Since the email field was not filled, we can say that the unit, that is a form, is defective. Summary. In this video, we explored a few basic concepts related to defects, like a unit, critical to quality, defect, defect opportunity, and the defective. For recap, the online request form, which we have seen in the previous slides, is the unit. The customer needed the applicant to fill all the 4 fields. Hence, To ensure the quality of the unit, it was critical that the applicant had to fill all the four fields. Since four fields had to be mandatory filled, failure of filling any of them would be a defect. Hence, each field provided a unique defect opportunity, which means the form had four defect opportunities. One field, that is the email, was not filled. Hence, the form has one defect. And since the unit, that is a form, had a defect, the form can be called a defective. Thank you for watching my video on the basics that you need to know about defects. Please do remember to like and share.